Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to approach Stanford University admission. Stanford seeks individuals who have demonstrated extraordinary intellectual vitality and a commitment to learning. Achieving top grades in rigorous courses, especially advanced placement or international baccalaureate subjects, is absolutely essential. Many admitted students also present impressive standardized test scores, often scoring in the 99th percentile or higher. Your academic profile must clearly show you are prepared for their demanding curriculum. Beyond stellar grades, Stanford values students who make a significant impact outside the classroom. Engage deeply in activities that genuinely interest you, whether it is leading a school club, starting a unique project, or contributing to a community cause. They are looking for demonstrated passion, dedication, and leadership qualities. Show how you have taken initiative and made a tangible difference, rather than simply participating in many things. Crafting an exceptional application means presenting your unique story through compelling essays. These personal statements should showcase your voice, values, and what drives you, offering insight beyond your transcripts. Additionally, secure strong letters of recommendation from teachers who can genuinely attest to your intellectual curiosity and character. These letters provide valuable third-party perspectives, reinforcing your strengths and potential for future success at a top university. Stanford employs a thorough, holistic review process, evaluating every piece of your application to understand who you are beyond the numbers. They seek individuals who will enrich their campus intellectually and culturally. Focus on showcasing your unique perspectives, your genuine intellectual curiosity, and how your specific talents align with Stanford's mission and vibrant community. Ultimately, they want to see how you will thrive and contribute meaningfully to their distinctive environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.